Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? You saw it all. The Faceless viral videos are generating millions of views. Imagine transforming one single idea into over 100 pieces of content every week, all with just one tool. This is not a dream, this is Blotato. From finding the most viral TikTok hooks to repurposing YouTube, Blotato does it all. It's the secret sauce behind explosive 50 million views in just 6 months, without a team or ad spend. The key lies in Blotato's AI and automation magic. Let's dive into details. Alright guys, so what is Blotato? Blotata, whatever. This is a creation of just one team. Her name is Sabrina Romanov. She's a queen of faceless videos. She generated over 5 million views with her faceless videos in just last few months. This platform she created herself lets you create viral posts and faceless videos. All in all, with fully remixed content, and you can distribute it over different platforms. It works very easy. You choose the style. See, it can be horror, it can be drama, it can be love story, anime, it can be cartoon, whatever you want. Then it automatically creates a script and then it distributes over all the platforms. You see, here she generated over 40 millions of views in the last year alone. That is amazing, guys. And all this can be done on fully autopilot. I'm gonna show you exactly how she's doing it in this platform, step by step. So, choosing the style, choosing the script, and then the calendar will automatically schedule it. For example, once per day or twice per day, and post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Stories, whatever you want. And you go viral. Now let's check out the pricing. As you can see, the pricing is pretty steep and the amount of credit she's going is not very high. But I heard they might be increasing the amount of credit per month in each plan in future, so it may be worthwhile. Anyways, I decided to pay for the creator plan and set my automations. Let me show you how I did it. Alright, here's how Blotato platform looks inside. Has a lot of different sections on the left, such as remix, inspiration, prompts, sources, calendar, published post, failed post, and videos. So basically, if you want to set them up here, you can add different social medias, for example, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok, YouTube, all the good stuff. Then you can get your post prepared with the help of ChatGPT. And then you can publish it. You can add more sources here. For example, you can click add source and then you can add articles, YouTube videos as a source, TikToks, so on. If you have no idea what to do, you can get inspiration from the viral posts in different industries. For example, let's check out what we have on the AI news. You can put AI news and now it will search top posts in this industry. And here you go, all the top creators on X sharing the top stories. And what you can do actually, if you like some story, you can actually remix it. You click a remix button. And now you can basically publish it as your own. You can even add some media. And if you want to get some prompts, you can click prompts, and here you can find prompts on different popular topics and viral trends, such as 5 lessons learned, 3 tips on something, 3 listings, top ratings, all the good stuff. And then you can, for example, click on it, and here you have all the prompts, what to say, what not to say, all the prompts for ChatGPT to prepare the viral post. Next, you have a calendar where you can set the scheduling. Then you have your published posts. Here are the TikToks that I published myself already. And then you have a video section where you can create videos manually. So the video editor looks like this. This is like a super basic video editor where you can generate the footage, set the captions, set the music, set the audio, all the good stuff. And you can choose the model. For example, for images, you can choose Recraft, Flux, Ideogram, all the popular models. And for the animation of the frames, you can choose Frame Pack, Runway, Luma, Clink, Minimax, VO2, all the good stuff. Again, this will animate the frame, but remember, animation takes credits. Creating videos, creating images, all of that takes credits, so you don't really want to animate every single frame. Remember, it always takes credit. Then you can render it and download and export. That's all good and all, but honestly, I cannot be bothered creating videos manually myself. That's too much work. What I really wanted Blotato to do is fully automate creation for me. That's why I'm paying for the subscription. And that's exactly what Sabrina is delivering. If you go to Sabrina's blog, she has a very detailed post where she explains how you can set your own automation using this system. So make sure to check it out, but I will quickly show you how I did it as well. First, you need to basically get a paid plan from Blotato, take API key, then you need an 8N or make, where you run no-code workflow, and then you download the JSON file, which is on this page. This is how the whole automation works. It's provided by Sabrina, so you don't really need to do anything. Don't worry, if it looks complicated, it's quite easy. First, we are going here. We set automation, how often you want to run it. For example, I'm running every 6 hours. Simple as that. Remember, the more often you run, the more credits you will consume, so don't overdo it. Next, let's go to AI agent and double click it. And this is the agent that will brainstorm and create the scripts. That's the most important one. Scroll down and here you can see instructions. So we're gonna brainstorm 20 ideas, suspense-packed, and this one is about horror stories. So it's a dramatic mystery story. I'm not gonna read you whole prompt, but basically it's gonna generate 20 unique ideas, and then it's gonna randomly select one of the ideas, and finally it will generate a 25 seconds video script for the viral faceless videos based on this idea. And that's all this agent is doing. Next we go to the prepare video section, double click it, and here all you need to do is basically set the Blotato API key, which you will find in your Blotato settings. What else you can set here? You can change here the voice ID. It's a voice of 11 labs that will be making the audio for your video. Next, you can choose the style, for example, horror. Then if you want to animate every frame or just the first frame, I said first frame animate, all frames no, because you'll consume too many credits. And now you can choose which model you're gonna use for the animation. For images, we use Recraft, and for videos, you use Frame Pack. Those are the cheapest, but to be honest, they're quite poor. So if you want more quality videos, obviously choose the Clink or Veo, but they're much more expensive. Next, we're gonna go to the prepare for publish, double click it, again set your Blotato key, and now you need to set your TikTok or Instagram ID. This is the ID of the account that you connected to your Blotato platform. And here on the right side, you can activate some of the nodes. For example, we want to post only for TikTok, so we activate TikTok and the rest we deactivate. And that's pretty much it. Then you click save, you click test workflow, and the workflow will run and execute and post it on your TikTok. Simple as that. In Blotato settings section, you can connect different accounts. For example, I connected my TikTok, and then you can copy ID and then you link it. Here you can buy extra credits if you run out of credits, and here you get your API key of the Blotato. Pretty much that's all you need, guys. And of course, you'll need a ChatGPT API key as well. And if you're still not sure how everything works, you can go to Blotato help, and here API reference, you'll have all the voices IDs, all the parameters, and all the good stuff you can learn here. And after a few days of running, you'll get your account posting automatically the viral videos generated by this platform. See, all these videos are generated by this platform, fully on autopilot. Let me show you a couple of examples now in real time. Take a look.
You wake up in the eerie silence of an abandoned mine, surrounded by unsettling darkness. Scribbled messages on the walls predict exactly what happens next, sending chills down your spine. As faint whispers echo through the tunnels, a shadowy figure appears at the entrance, blocking your way out. You realize you're not alone, and the fear wells up inside you.
So, pretty much everything is set on autopilot, and the system will be generating faceless videos for you every single day. So the last question is how you're gonna monetize those videos. This channel will basically grow completely on autopilot. You don't need to do anything at all except maybe adding extra credits to Blotato and making sure your subscription is live. So how you can monetize it? You can apply for TikTok Creator Fund, apply and earn per view. You can do live sessions and convert coins to cash. You can do brand sponsorships, partner with brands for paid shoutouts. You can do affiliate marketing, drop trackable links in your bio and the posts, and you can do pin posts as well. And finally, you can do merch and digital goods, sell branded merch or ebooks. And of course, ChatGPT didn't say you can do paid sponsorships and live streams. And during those live streams, you can engage with your audience and try to sell them services as well, such as mentorships, coaching, all the good stuff. Basically teaching others how to do it as well. And how much you can earn. Basically, TikTok is paying you up to $1,600 for 40 million of views. This is just from Creator Fund, so you can make much more with all other additional streams and funnels. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about Blotato. Take care. See you next time. Bye.